Right. So, good morning, all of you guys. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, right? All of you guys, please give reply. Are you able to hear me? Everyone, guys, please give reply. Right. So, data analysis by Python, right? What's the concept name, guys? Data analysis by Python. Data analysis by Python. This is the okay topic that we'll discuss today. So first topic now, first of all, data analysis. First we see what is the meaning of data analysis. What is the meaning of data analysis and why it is required, and how to do it by using Python. All of you, okay. First we'll see what is data analysis and how to do it by using what? By using Python, right? So now, before starting this one, I will start with one example. Right. So, all of you guys, data analysis means analyzing the data. Simply say that here, analyzing the data, guys. Which data? The business data. Which data? The business data. Okay. How to analyze? Let's see now. Let's take any one business initially. We'll take any one business. Let's take, for example, D-Mart, guys. D-Mart business, D-Mart or South India Shopping Mall or whatever it is. Take one business here. Okay. And this business has multiple branches. It has multiple branches. Okay. Let me take some branches here. I'll take some branches. This is the one branch. This is the another branch. Okay. And this one, the third branch. Like that, let's take multiple branches initially. This is the one more branch. One more branch. And imagine now, these are all branches from Hyderabad only, for example. Now, this is a branch in SR Nagar, for example. Okay. It's a branch in SR Nagar like this. Right. This is the branch in, for example, KPHB. Okay, KPHB. Right. And this is the branch in, let's take Koti. Okay. And this is the branch in, for example, Madhapur. Like that, there are different branches. All of you. Right. In each branch, what they do, they sell the products, right? In each branch, they sell the products from morning to evening, right? And also every day morning, they take the products from the okay. They receive the products from the main stores, and then they keep on sell the products. Next day also, they receive the products from the main stores, and then they keep on sell the products, right? Now they must analyze daily how many products we are getting from the main stores. Out of all, how many we are selling, and they have to analyze. Okay, product wise, how many are selling, right? All of you. That's why here every day, what they do, they must store the data. They must store the data, right? So for storing purpose, we must use some database. We must use some database. Suppose let's imagine they're using different databases. For example, they're using MySQL. For example, if all use the MySQL, no problem. If all use the Oracle, no problem. If you all use in text file, no problem. But let us take in case of they are using different databases. For example, different databases. All of generally nowadays all using the clouds. But let us take in this concept. Okay, Oracle and someone using, for example, Excel. Just imagine, and someone using, for example, text file like this. Just imagine, right? Okay, so in different branches, they're using different databases, different storage places. Okay, files or databases like this, right? And let's take now any specific day business. Let's take today is 4/11, right? 2023. Let's take about today business. Allow. So today in SR Nagar they sold for example 400 products. And next in this branch they sold some 300 products. Next in this branch they sold some let's take 200 products they sold here. They sold 200 products, and then in Madhapur they sold only 100 products like this. Okay, so like this what happened here today. This is the sales branch wise, right? So here 400 means these all of not single product. These 400 are different products. Different products. Here also 300 are not same product, different products. Here also different products. Here also different products. Right? Now what they do while billing, they store all the information. Okay. So then they should analyze now. They should analyze how many are selling in that one. Product wise, how many are sold. Product wise, category wise, how many sold. Okay, all of you. Or company wise. Company means manufacturer company wise, how many sold. They want to analyze. So in this case, it is difficult to analyze here because here the data stores which format, a tabular format, right? Okay, tabular format storing. Plus the other thing is here in this one, in this branches, the main person is not there. Who is just all employees are there here. In each branches, the directors are not there. Who are there? Just employees are there. Maybe managers, maybe executives, or admins, floor admins. These all are just employees, not the owner of the business. But generally, who will take care of the business 100%? Only owners, not about the employees. Okay, employees do as a job. They come in the morning, they go in the evening. But generally, who will take care of business 100% means only owners only. Only owners. That's why the owners cannot go to each branch daily, right? The owners cannot go to each branch to analyze because owners will be in some main office, right? That's why let's take the main office in different location. This is the different location. That is, for example, let's take Mumbai. Okay, it's a Mumbai branch. In Mumbai, his main office is there. Imagine now. This is the Mumbai. His main office is there. For example, okay, and then what happens here? And this is the person. Maybe this person or some high level management people will be there. Okay, they must analyze the business so that they can take the decisions. They can take the decisions to improve the business. Okay, the decision taken by whom? Only by owners. Only by owners. The employees, the admins, they just taking give suggestions only, right? So then what they do every day end of the day, they must send the products to the which one that main branch. From all the branches, they must send the data to the main branch. But here directly we cannot load to the main branch. Why? In the main branch also, imagine now there is a one database. There is a one database, right? This database is, for example, MySQL. Just imagine now. For example, MySQL here, right? So at that time, MySQL to MySQL data loading okay because both are same syntaxes, follow same constraints. But Oracle to MySQL not easy to directly loading, or Excel to MySQL not easy to loading. At the same time, text file to MySQL not easy to load directly. That's why directly loading is not possible when there are different sources and using different databases, right? So at that time, just imagine now here they are also using, for example, MySQL. Just imagine, guys. Okay, right. So they cannot load directly. Suppose imagine now there are two things here. There are two things. Suppose all are using a same database. Then it is called direct loading. Direct loading may be possible, right? But when we have different databases, and also when you load directly, there may be some button on the this which one the destination database. There must be some button on the this one when we're loading all branches data directly to the this one. That's one problem. Second one is when different databases are there, again data loading is not possible. Data loading is not possible. To avoid these two problems, in the middle, we use one more database that is called staging area. That is called what? Staging area. This is called staging area. It is also a database only. It is also a database only, but stores data temporarily. Stores data temporarily. Allow of observe. This is called staging area. Staging area. Staging area. This is called what? Staging area. All of you guys observe here. Staging area. Okay, and this database is called actually data warehouse. Data warehouse. The database which is in the main branch here, it is called data warehouse, and these all databases they are called data sources. Data sources. Okay, because so wherever the data started generating, that is called the data source, and wherever all data storing, that is called the data warehouse. This is the final loading here. Okay, final loading. All of you. Now, from all data sources, first we load the data into a staging area, and from here we perform some manipulations so that we combine all the data, first table data, second database data, third one data, fourth one data, all branches data will make as a single table. Like that what we do, make the clubbing all those operations here, and finally this one we load here, that one we load here, all of you. So here there are three operations are there. One is which one extracting the data, extracting the data. The second one after extracting what we do, transforming the data. After transforming, then what we do, load the data. Okay, so extracting the data, right? Transforming the data, then loading. So there are three operations are there here. There are three operations. The first one is extract. What's first one? Extract. Okay, extracting the data means extract. So allow of you observe. What's first one? Extract. So extract means from data sources taking the data and sending to which one? Sending to the this staging area. This is called extracting. Extract. All of you guys remember the terminology. That is called extracting. Extract operation. Extract. 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 Okay. Extracting. Right. Extract. Okay. Extract, guys. Remember the word. Okay. Extract. Okay. Right. Extract. Next one, after extracting, then what we do here, what we do, all of you observe. So first database data. Okay. Next second database data, then third one data, then fourth one data, then fifth one data. All data sources data will join here, guys. Will group here by changing by any modifications on the metadata. means that columns names are data types. So those all we do perform operations, and finally we club the data into one single table. On a single table, okay, that means that changes, that modifications are called transformations. What do you call? Transformations. Okay, so that transform, what do you call it here? Transformations means what? Transform. All of you here also one table, and then here what we do, we join. Okay, we combine all the data sources data by performing the required transformations. Means changes not on the main data, changes on the metadata, means maybe columns names, or else the data types changing, a size changing, like that, but not actual data. We should not modify the actual data, actual customer data, actual products data. We should not modify. That is the actual data, right? Okay, we can modify the metadata, means maybe the columns names, the data types, okay, or else taking down required columns, and stopping the some unnecessary columns, unnecessary data, like that. But we should not modify the actual data, right? And then now what is over here? Now what is over? Now transform over. What is over? Transform, transform over, transform, extractor plus transform, both over now, right? Both over, all of you. What's first one? Tell me now, what's first one over here? Extracting the data, extracting the data, right? Data, extracting the data means fetching the data. Then transform means changing, modifying operations here. Okay, then finally, as per this example, total how many rows are there here? Here 400 rows, 300 rows, 200 rows, 100 rows. Total how many? There are 1,000 rows are there. There are how many? 1,000 rows are there, all of you. Those 1,000 rows, finally what we do? Finally we load into the, we load into the which one? Into the data warehouse. Finally the 1,000 rows, that all data we load into the data warehouse, means main database. That's all, right? This is called what here? This is called load operation, or loading operation. Load or loading, extracted, transform, load, these three operations, all of you. This is called which one? This is called load. Okay, this I am taking here, right? Now one task is over. What is over? From data sources, taking the data, from data sources taking the data, transforming, and then loading, this operation is over. Means one operation over, guys. What is the operation? Tell me now. From data sources taking the data, and then transforming, and then loading. Okay, so here these three operations are called ETL operations. ETL operations. ETL operations. What do you call? ETL operations. E for extract, T for transform, L for loading. ETL operations. ETL operations means extracting the data from different sources, and okay, which one? Making the transformations, and then load into the main data warehouse. So this is called what? ETL operations. All of you remember the name. What is the name here? ETL operations. ETL operations. So previously we had lot of tools to perform the ETL operations. Previously, okay, we had a lot of operations, lot of tools to perform the ETL operations. Like suppose let's take the MSBI is there. MSBI, Informatica, Tableau. Okay, all of you. Like that, there are so many are there to perform the ETL operations. But I think before lockdown, the main thing we use here, MSBI, guys, that also used to perform these operations. Okay, right. So till now, everybody's clear. Like what is data source? What is the data warehouse? Data source means it's a place where the data is generating, daily transactional data. That is called daily transactional data. Means daily data. Today some data generated, the data loading. Tomorrow again data generated, that also loading. Next day again data generating, that is loading, right? Means every day, end of the day, the data go to where? Data go to the which one? Data warehouse. Again tomorrow new data will come, the data will go. Next day again, next day new data will come, that also will go. Means here we have daily transactional data, that's called daily transactional data. And here what do we have? We have the history of the data, history of the business, history of the business, all of you. History means what? For example, imagine all of you, this DMart started, for example, I'm saying 2000, for example, okay? Just imagine, guys. So, means almost 23 years, I'm saying, for example, okay? 23 years. The 23 years data is available where? Must available in the which one? Data warehouse. The 20 years data, 23 years data must available here in the main head office, means the main data warehouse. But in the data sources means they have daily data only, just today data, that's all. Tomorrow this data will not available. Maybe means daily data or weekly data or monthly data or quarterly data or yearly data, guys. They maintain daily data or else weekly data. Means weekly means Monday to Sunday. Next again Monday to Sunday, like that, or monthly data or quarterly data or yearly data, but not full business data here, but not full business data. Okay, there is difference between what here? Data source and data warehouse. Staging area is a temporary database where it takes the data, making transformations, and then loading into the data warehouse. Because without this one, without this staging area, without this one, if you make direct loading here, if you make direct loading, then there will be a burden on the data warehouse, like this. Here only four are there. Suppose imagine now there are 1,000 stores are there. 1,000 stores are there, are loading directly at a time. From all 1,000 stores, data coming at a time, then okay, it is not easy to maintain it here. That's why before loading into the main data warehouse, first load into the data staging area. From there, only loading into the data warehouse. Right. Now, all of you guys till now everybody's clear? All of you guys let me know. Till now everybody's clear, right? All of let me know. Mayuri, SR, Ramanji, okay. All of you guys in online, please give reply. Till now everybody's clear? Till now everybody's clear, right? Till now, all of let me know. Till now, all of let me know. Right? Okay. So fine. Just I'm explaining the process. Later we see how to do it. All of you. Just I'm explaining the flow. Later we'll see, okay, how to do the transformations, or how to do the this extracting, how to do the loading. That all we'll see one by one. Okay, all of you guys. Right. So that's fine. That's fine. Now here finally what happened here is also one database. There also table is there. In that table, all data is there. All of here also, it's also one database, right? It's also one database. There also one table is there. In that table also, it stored the data in the form of rows and columns wise. In the form of rows and columns wise, the data storing. But right now, how many rows are there? Right now, how many rows are there here? As for this example, there are 1,000 rows, guys. Okay, there are 1,000 rows are there. All of you. As for this example, there are 1,000 rows. Okay, There are 1,000 rows are there, right? So by seeing the table data, okay, we cannot analyze the data business. The data table format is there. Data in table format is there. Okay, by seeing the table data, where is the highest value, where is the least value, or branch wise highest value, or branch wise least value, or product wise sum of sales. These are not easy. And table wise table format, right? That's why to analyze the data in easy way, by using this data, we should create the graphs. We create what? We create the graphs. Okay. How to create the graphs? Means, sorry, allow of observe. By using the same data, we'll create the graphs. Just observe, guys, here. Uh, by taking this data, what we do, we'll create the graphs. Okay, so in the form of the graphs, analyzing data very easy. Maybe line graphs, or bar graphs, pie charts, okay, histogram. So many graphs are there. All of them. So like this data is there. Suppose this is the least, this is the highest sale, these are the average sales, like that. It's easy to analyze. Just I'm giving an example, all of you. Okay, so branch wise, these are the branches. For example, these are the branches. Just imagine, these are the branches. Okay, and so now you can say this branch has the less sales, and this branch has the, for example, highest sales. Like that, you can analyze, guys. All of you means, means the table data. Okay, we analyze in the form of what? Graphs, right? So that by seeing this analysis, by seeing these graphs, we can analyze. Means, which store? Suppose this store, this is the, let's take Madhapur store, this one, for example, guys. Okay, Madhapur store. Then so here less sales are there. Suppose this is what, where high sales are there. SR Nagar is there, for example. SR Nagar is there. Here more sales are there, right? So now, as an owner, we take decision now. Here, why less sales are there in a Madhapur? What is the problem? Why less sales are there? How to increase the sales there? How to improve the sales? Here also, in every branch also, how to improve the sales, right? And in this branch wise, they think about the product wise now again. In the Madhapur, again, each product wise, what are the sales? Each product wise sales. Okay, suppose in this one, again they take one more graph, subgraphs. In that one, product wise sales. In that, which product has less sales, which product has more sales, and whatever the product has less sales, how to improve those sales. Then they come with new ideas. Maybe giving the offers, like buy one get one offer, or giving some more discounts. Okay, like that. They start all the new ideas, and the ideas, next implement on the branch. Okay, and again, next day or next week, again they think about they think, how are the sales. Okay, again next week or next day, again sales will go. Again they analyze here. If anyway less sales are there, again they apply the new ideas here, new techniques, like that. Again they take the sales, they analyze here, they analyze, and again they implement that new plans. Again they take the data. It's like a circular process, guys. Circular process like this. I love you. So the main goal of the owners is what? Improve the business. The main thought thinking of owners is what here? Improve the business. For improving business, they can do anything. They can give some offers for some time, or if you see, suppose South Indian shopping mall, Chennai shopping mall, or these all, they give the festival offers. Why? In that season, they want to increase more sales. In that season, they want to get more sales, more which one? More amount from the customers. That's why they give the offers at festival seasons. All of you, right? The same offers not available in other timings. Why? Suppose let's take right now this Dasra Diwali offers going on in Amazon, or also in Flipkart. Why not this offers throughout year? Why only this at festival time? Means they think that for festivals they take the new mobiles, they take the new electronics, or they take which one, a new cloth. They plan like that. That's why at festival time only they're giving the offers, right? And we people, public also, customers also, what they do, we don't buy the products every time, right? We buy the products at some season only, at festival seasons, or else any like summer season, okay, like that. So as per our mindset, they start planning for new ideas, right? This is called what, guys? Data analysis. This is the overall theme of data analysis. Now this one we implement through programs. The same thing we implement through the programs. So all of you guys till now over. All of you guys till now over. Up to here is one part. This is second part. Up to here, this is the one part. This is the one part up to here. This is the one part. Which one? Extracting, transforming, loading is one part. The second part is the, from that one create the graph to second part. Create the graph is the second part. So there are two main parts here. There are two main parts. And here, all of you, the first one is called which one? ETL operations. ETL operations. Okay, means for first one we use as per Python modules, we use pandas. What we use? Pandas module we use. Pandas module mainly we use. With the help of other submodules also, but mainly pandas we use why to perform these ETL operations, like extracting data from different databases and transforming and then loading. Okay, we use which one? Pandas. And then here we go with another module that is called matplotlib. 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 Plot means graph. Plot means what? Graph. All of you, in this terminology, plot means what? Plot means graph. Graph. Okay. So pandas, matlab, and one more is there, numpy. Numpy also we use with these combinations, but mainly pandas for these operations and matlab for which one? Creating the graphs. Plot means what? Plot means graph. Graph, creating the graphs, taking data from this data source, this data warehouse, this data means on database, or database, from there creating the graphs is the matplotlib. That's all. Now all of you guys till now, everybody's clear? If you're clear, guys, then we start the modules, discussing the modules. So first we start the numpy module. Then next one we start pandas module. Then next we start with what here? Matplotlib module. Matplotlib. We'll discuss these three. All of you guys, let me know everybody's clear. All of you guys. If you're clear, okay, then we will start. What's first one, guys? Here, what's first one? Numpy or numpy module, guys. Numpy or numpy module. So I hope, guys, everybody's clear, right? Everybody's giving reply. Thank you so much, right? Let's go with what next one? Numpy or numpy module, guys. Okay. So by end of these three, we must able to do this entire thing. Here individually pandas, matlib, once by end of these three, what we do, will perform completely as a project, guys. Completely as a project. That's all. Means which one? That numpy, pandas, matlib. By using these three, we'll take data from the data sources and transforming, then loading, and then creating the graph, guys. All of you. Let me know which one. So what we do here. So finally, what we do end of the thing, we take data from the data sources, transforming, then loading, and then creating the graph. Creating the graph. Creating the graph. Okay, when if you have the huge data or data from multiple sources. Suppose, sir, I have the only one business, sir. I have the only one business, only one branch only. Only one branch only, no other branches, no sub branches. Directly, what can we do? Directly, what can we do? We can create the graphs, all of you. If you have the only one business, only one store, not more number of stores, then it is all transforming or loading all not required. Directly, what can we do? Suppose only one store is there, only one branch is there. Then from that directly, what can we do? Directly create the graph. Directly we can create the graphs. The thing is, when you have the multiple branches, multiple stores, and each store having a huge amount of data, at that time this entire process required. Okay, right. Now let us start with which one, guys? NumPy. Right. So I hope, guys, you are clear, right? What is the meaning of data analysis? I think you are clear. You are clear. What is the meaning of data analysis? That analysis we can do by using different modules, guys. This analysis we can do by using different tools, different modules, different sources are there to perform this analysis. But we can do it with our Python also. We can do it with our Python also. In that Python, by using the modules, by using Python modules. Okay, all of you. So data analysis means what? Analyzing the business data, analyzing the business data to get a new ideas, to get the new ideas to improve the business, to improve the business. Okay, so here what we use a NumPy module, then pandas module, and then matplotlib module, right? First start with what, guys? Here start with the NumPy. So here an NumPy module, okay, mainly we use to create arrays, to create what? To create arrays, guys, to create arrays, all of you. So, and it is used mainly to analyze a huge amount of numerical data, huge amount of numerical data, all of you. Which data? Numerical data, guys. This is about numerical data, it's about tabular data, it's about analyzing the data, all of you, right? Numerical data, tabular data, and then finally analyzing the data by creating the graphs. So NumPy module we have to import. First of all, we have to install and import. How to install the NumPy module? All of you, how to install the NumPy module? Now I'm not going to give theory part, guys, here. I'll share you the document later if you want the theory point, all the points. Okay, these are all the points. I'll share you the document later. Just directly go with what here the basics and create the graphs, the programs. Okay. So first what we do, we have to install the NumPy module. How to install means go to the command prompt here, command prompt pip install NumPy or NumPy, pip install NumPy or NumPy, right? So if I click enter, then it installs. But whenever we use pip, then we have to check it compulsorily. Internet is mandatory, guys. Okay, net is mandatory. It is mandatory. If net is not there, then it will not install. It says that retrying error. It says what? Retrying error. Retrying error. Okay, that's one thing. And actually, in my laptop, I think already NumPy model is there. That's why it's saying that already requirement satisfied. In my laptop already previously I used NumPy for other batches. That's why it's saying what here required requirement already satisfied. Okay, that means already it's available now. Now I am going to use which platform we use to make the programs. Let's take Jupyter Notebook, guys. I'm going to use a Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Jupyter Notebook. We try now. So that also we have to install, guys. This also we have to install. How to install means again pip install Jupyter pip install C. All saying requirement satisfied, right? That means what? In my lab, in my machine, already it is available. If it is not available, it installs properly, no problem. If it is there, means installing over. Next, we have to open again. We have to open. How to open this one? Simply, we use a Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Just we type what here? Jupyter Notebook. Click enter. It opens now. It opens. Right. That's fine. Now Jupyter opened, guys. Jupyter opened. Now I create the one file. I create the one file here. We have to create our file for our programs purpose. Take the Python. All of you observe here. I go to the new and click on the Python 3. A new file opened. In this new file, and we can start these programs. And our file name is untitled, right? Now give some name. I am giving suppose data analysis. Okay, data analysis. Just I'm going to rename. That's all of you, right? Then now what we do here? First I'm going to import what import numpy. Import numpy, guys. All of you, import numpy, right? Now what we do, we create arrays, right? By using NumPy, what we do, we create arrays. Arrays are different types. Like zero dimensional array, 0D, zero dimensional array, zero dimensional array is one thing. Next 1D, one dimensional array, 2D, two dimensional array, then 3D, three dimensional array, three dimensional array. Like that, there are different types of arrays are there. Different types of arrays are there. One dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional arrays. Okay. Right. Let us see now how to create first a 0D, zero dimensional array. Zero dimensional means so for numpy I am giving the some alias name as np. Np is the alias name of what numpy, right? Numpy. Now np dot which function we use? Array function we use. Which function? Array function we use here. Array of I give just one value. Any one value. I give any one value. I'll take for example a1. A1 is the array name. A1 is the array name. Then print of a1. Print of a1. So now writing the program over, then we have to execute. We have to run the file. One option is there above. Run is there. The second one is just a shift to enter. Shift to enter. If you click normal enter, it goes for new line. It goes for new line. If you want to execute, shift enter. Shift enter. Yes, print a1. A1 value printed. This is what here zero dimensional array. If you want to know is it zero dimension or one dimension or two dimension, three dimension, then print of a1 dot ndim. A1 dot ndim means number of dimension. Number of dimension number. Which one here? Zero. This is the zero means array with one value. One value is what here? Zero dimensional. Zero dimension. All of you, right? And actually, what is an array? Array is a collection of homogeneous elements. All of you, just what is array? Array is a collection of what here? Collection of homogeneous elements. Homogeneous elements. What is the meaning of homogeneous? Homogeneous means same type of elements like all integer numbers or all float values, a array with all float values, all bool values, all string values, all int values, all elements must be same type of elements. That is called what? Homogeneous elements. Okay, homogeneous elements. Generally, if you see a list in Python list, it can be homogeneous or it can be heterogeneous also, right? A Python list, a Python list can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. But numpy array is only which one? Is only collection of what? Collection of homogeneous elements. Collection of homogeneous elements only. But Python list is what here? Collection of either homogeneous elements or heterogeneous elements also. Heterogeneous means what? Different types of values. A set of values, those combination of integer values, float values, bool values, or string values, all combination possible. But homogeneous means only same type of elements only. Okay, right. So this is what, guys, here. This is what zero dimension. This is what here zero zero dimension array. Zero dimension array. Zero dimension array. Now let us try one dimension array, guys. Now one dimension array. So 1D, 1D array, 1D array. Here also first what we do, import numpy as np dot array of, which function we use? The array function we use. Array of, then if you take the only one value, that is called zero dimension. All of, if you take only one value, that is what? Zero dimension. Now if you take the collection of values within the square brackets, collection of values, that is called what? One dimension. So this is the one zero dimension, this is the another zero dimension, one more zero dimension, one more zero, one more zero. Collection of zero dimensions is called one dimension, guys. See, zero dimension means what? One value. Means what here? One value. So here collection of one values, right? Collection of one values means a collection of zero dimensions. This is what we can say. We can say that here collection of zero dimensions is called what here? 1D array. Now let's take here, suppose a1, then print of a1. Now run this one, you can see the result came here. The same, if you want to know the dimension, print of a1 dot what here? Ndim. A1 dot ndim. You can see it is the one dimension array. One dimension array. Okay, right. Next one, let's go with the 2D, guys, all of you. Two dimension array. Here also again what we do, import numpy as np dot array of. Now all of observe logically. So see, if one value is there, that is called a zero dimension. If collection of one values means collection of zero dimensions is called what? One dimension. Now collection of one dimensions is called two dimension, guys. Collection of one dimensions. Collection of one dimensions is called two dimension. Let's take this one. All of you observe here. I will take one dimension here, one more dimension here, one more dimension like this. And here I will take, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take here some different values like this. All of you, and I will take different values, something like this, guys. All of you. Now this is the what here? One dimension. This is also one dimension. This is also one dimension. Collection of these all one dimensions is called what here? Two dimension. So I can say here. This is called what? Collection of what? Collections of one dimensions is called what? Two dimensional array. Then I give the name here again. Some A2. A2, right? Okay. Then print of A2, yes. Sorry, here, right? In each one, how many are there? Four, four, four. All okay. Then fine. Now you can see now all of you can observe here. First 1D, second 1D, and then third 1D. Right? All of you. This is what now 2Ds, right? Then I can take print of A2 dot ndim. A2 dot ndim. You can see now two dimensions. Two dimensions. Now the last one is there. What's the last one, all of you? That is the 3D array. 3D array. You can tell me now here import what? Import numpy as np dot array of. Now you can define the 3D. What is 3D? Define now. All of you guys, what is 3D? I given the definition of this all, right? Okay, 0D means one value. 1D means collection of 0Ds, and then 2D means collection of 1Ds, collection of 1Ds. Now what is 3D now? What is 3D? What is 3D? Guys, you reply, all of you. All of you guys reply. What is 3D? What is 3D? What is 3D, guys? Let me know. All of you guys give reply, please. Everybody, please give reply. What is 3D? What is 3D? All of you. No reply coming here. What happened? No reply. Yes, Sindhu. Collection of 2Ds, right? Okay, very good. All of you guys reply. Collection of what 2Ds, okay? That means what here? That means what here? I will take what here? Observe, all of you. Observe here. So first one 2D, again second 2D, then third 2D. In each 2D, in each again 1D, second 1D, third 1D. Here also 1D, second 1D, third 1D. All of here also first 1D, second 1D, third 1D. In each 1D, 0D, 0D, 0D. All of right. Again 10D, 0D, 0D. Like this. I'll take the different values, all of you. I think you are clear this one, right? Okay. The last one like this. Now let's take something A3 equal to A3 equal to. So this is the one 2D, right? This is the second 2D. This is the third 2D, right? Okay. In the first 2D, again one 1D, second 1D, third 1D. It again first 1D, 0D, 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 like this. All of each one same. Each one same here. Then let's go with print of A3. Print of A3. Somewhere some maybe spelling, array spelling, okay. Right. You can see all of you. This is the one 2D, second 2D, third 2D. All of you, right? The collection of this first 2D, second 2D, third 2D, okay, third 2D. And each 2D, what is again first 1D, second 1D, third 1D. In each 1D, 0D, 0D, 0D. Again 0, 0 means one element by a single element. And if you want to know that dimension, A3 dot what now, n dim, A3 dot 1 dim, you can see now this is what 3D, 3D like this. So 0D, 0 dimension, 1 dimension, and 2 dimension, okay, and 3 dimension finally. These are the types of what here, types of arrays, right? Arrays. Now, all of what we do, we can perform the arithmetic operations, we can perform iterations, all of you. On the same arrays, we can perform different operations. Arithmetic operations possible, iterations possible, finding the aggregate operations possible. These are all operations we do, guys. Okay, means how to perform the first arithmetic operations. Okay, which one? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations we will see now. Arithmetic operations we will see now. Like which one? First one, let's take the add, guys. Performing the addition. We'll take addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, this we try now. First, what we do, we perform the addition. We perform the addition of two arrays, guys. Addition of two arrays. And then next we perform what here? We perform the subtraction also. All of subtraction. Third one is multiplication. The fourth one is you can perform the division also, guys. First we see these operations. All of you. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, right. So for this all, first let's take the just take two arrays now. Import numpy as what, as np. Import numpy as what, as np. Now np data, I'll take the first array. Let's take suppose one dimensional. Suppose like this, all of you. I'll take as a1. I'll take as a1 equal to. I'll take one more array also. np dot array of let's take like this. Now a1 a1 is the one array, a2 is the another array, Now generally what can we do? A1 plus a2, right? Generally can perform a1 plus a2, that is what here a. That is what here a generally, right? Then print of what? Print of a. All of you can see now. So 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6, right? All of you. Means here the elements are adding, guys. First 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 6, 11, right? So here directly what is happening? Elements adding here. Directly elements adding. But the same thing are not possible directly in the Python list, guys. All of you. In Python list, suppose imagine now LST1, 2, 3, 4, 5, LST2, 4, 3, 5, 6. Now LST1 plus LST2. Is it possible, guys? Tell me. Output like this. All of you. In Python, is it possible now? In Python, suppose I take as a, this is the list one. Just imagine, guys. Just imagine now. This is the list one. Okay. I will take here. This is the list two. Then list one plus list two assign to list. Then what is the list, guys? Let me know. What is the list now? What is the list? All of you guys, can you reply now? All of you guys reply. We all know Python very well. So here directly elements adding 4, 6, 6, 9, 11 coming. Here what is the output now? In case of Python, what is the output? Let me know. In case of Python, what is the result, guys? All of you guys reply. Hmm. All of you guys. What is the answer now? Right. The output will be a list of 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 6. All elements will come. Means here the plus applying between two list objects. Between one list object, list object, list object. But here the plus applying between the elements. Between the elements, the plus adding, the plus applying between the elements. That is the difference between here the arrays and the list objects, guys. One of the difference. Okay, right. So if you want, you can see now, right? Okay, first list, then second list, right? To get like this, we should perform some other operations. Okay, right. But right now, just you forget about this one. So now here I'm using what now? I am using only the plus operation. Using what here? Plus operator, guys. But the numpy supports one function, that is add function. That is what add. Np dot add of a1 comma a2, a1 comma a2. Let's take the a again. Then print of a, yes. All of observe. So for addition operation, generally we use plus, but the NumPy model supports what? Supports add also. It supports add. Okay. All of this is what performing the addition operation, right? Performing the addition operation. Uh, Performing what here? Performing the addition. Next, let us try take the same arrays now. We'll take the same arrays, guys. Next, but now perform the subtraction. Perform the subtraction. Right now, to perform subtraction, we use a1 minus a2, a1 minus a2. Then we use a equal to okay, a equal to then print of a, yes. Now, I'll observe here. So, in which operator we use a operator we are using, sorry, minus operator we are using, right? So, that means 2 minus 4, how much here? Minus 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 5, minus 1, 5 minus 6, minus 1. That is by using symbol of subtraction, right? But it supports on the method also, guys. It supports on the method also. That is np dot subtract, okay, subtract of a1 comma a2 assigned to again a, then again print of a, you can see now. Okay, this is what now performing which operation here? Subtraction, right? Okay, performing subtraction operation, right? And then on the same two list objects, we'll perform the multiplication also. We'll perform the multiplication also, guys. On the same, right, both are same. A1 into, okay, A2 assigned to what here? Assigned to A. Then print of A. You can see here. So 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 5, 20, 5 into 6, 30. The same case again we have np dot what? Np dot multiply of a1 comma a2 assigned to a, then let's take print a. You can see all of you same, right? Same operation, guys. Same operation, all of you, right? And then let's see one more also, the last one. Let's try to perform the division operation, guys. Which operation? Division operation. A1 by A2 assigned to A, assigned to A, print of A, print of A. You can see in all of you. So first 2 by 4, that is 0 0.5, 3 by 3 is the 1, and 4 by 5, 0 0.8, 5 by 6, 0.83. And all of you can observe, actually this is the float, right? This is the float, right? Okay. But 3 by 3 means what? 1. Actually 1, right? It must be 1. But now 1 dot came. Why 1 dot came? Actually, this is the 0 0.5 float value. It's also float value. It's also float value. It must be integer actually. It must be integer, right? 3 by 3, 1. But here, array means what? Collection of same type of elements. That's also, it also became what? A float type. Array means what? Collection of same type. Already all are which type is there? Float type is there, right? Float type is there. That's why it also became what now? Float format, right? So these are the which one, guys? These are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, all of you. Performing a multiplication. Performing multiplication. And here performing what? Performing a division, right? Okay. Now let us see how to do indexing, guys. Indexing, slicing. Okay. In Python, we do indexing, slicing, and iteration, right? The same thing you can do here also, guys. Same thing we can do. We can do here also indexing, slicing. Those all operations. So we'll do here also, guys. So we'll see now how to make the indexing. We'll see now how to make the indexing. All of you. The same way, these all operations we can do on 2D also and 3D also, guys. The same one we can do these operations on 2D, 3D also. Okay. Now, so types we have created an arithmetic operation solver. Let's make a indexing under which one slicing. That we know what is indexing, what is slicing, no, right? Indexing means what? Indexing means what? Okay, fetching a specific element, right? All of you guys, good reply. In Python, what is indexing? In Python, what is indexing, guys? In Python, what is indexing, all of you? All of you guys, good reply. What is the indexing? That's good reply. What is indexing? What is indexing? In Python, we done multiple times, right? We done multiple times indexing means. Index means fetching a specific element, right? Subbalakshmi Saho fetching a specific character element. And what is slicing? What is slicing? Slicing means what, right? Fetching a set of elements. Fetching set of elements by giving their numbers, start number and the end number. Okay. Right. Let us try how to perform indexing, guys. All of you observe now. Indexing and we'll try slicing also. Right. So import numpy as np. Okay, np dot array. Let's take 2D array, guys. We can take 1D, no problem. Or else first we'll try 1D array. And 1D array, how to make the indexing, slicing, all of you 50, 60, 78 like this. Now a1 or a equal to like this. Then print of a, right? And here only what is a of 0? What is a of 0 here? The same index numbers. What is 0? What is 0? 10, right? 0, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. And print of a of suppose 2. What is the 2? 2 means 30 will come, right? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2 like this. You can take the indexing like this. And let's try the negative index number. Is it available or not? Negative indexing -1. The forward starts with 0, right? Forward 0 and backward starts with what? -1. Okay, backward -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like this. Then what is -1 here? What is -1? All of us give reply. You are silent. Everybody give reply. Everybody give reply. What is -1? What is -1? What is -1? What's -1 now? 80, right? -1, 80. Means the array supporting index numbers like same list only, both forward, backward, both supporting, right? Okay, both supporting, guys. Suppose if I give out of range number, if I give out of range number, all of you observe, I give out of range number -10, index number -10 not there. Out of index number same. What is the error, all of you? What is the error here? Index error. In Python list all same error. In Python list same error. In array also same error. Which error? Index error. If you give the index number which is out of range, then either Python list or NumPy array gives error, index error. Okay. This is what here indexing, right? Let's make slicing, all of you. Let's make slicing. Let's make slicing. A of I am giving 3:7, right? All of you reply now. Slicing means what? Fetching set of elements. Fetching a set of elements. What is the 3 to 7? All guys, everybody give reply. All of you, everybody give reply now. All of you. What is reply? What is the answer here? Sindhu, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, very good. Now, sorry, error coming, right? Remove this one. Remove this one. Right. Now, let's observe here. What's the answer now? 40, 50, 60, 70, right? 42, 70. 42, 70. Why means what is index number 3? 3 means what? 3 means what here? 0, 1, 2, 3. So, starting from where? 40. And ending which value is there? 7. Ending which value is there? 7 is there, right? 7 means what here? 7 means what? Observe now. This is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? But 7 means 80. 80 will not come. 7 before value. Which value is there? Is 7 before 6 is there. What is that value here? 70. Up to 70 will come. Because I told you already in Python all classes, index number, end index number means it considers the one value before value. Either positive or negative, it considers the one left side value, guys. Okay, right. Now the last one, guys. The last one, tell me suppose I'll take -5 to -1, -5 to -1, -5 to minus. Tell me now, all of you. -5 to -1. Tell me now. -5 to -1. All of you guys. This is what here indexing slicing, right? Give me last one. -5 to -1. All of you guys reply. Right. Same answer again. Same answer again. What's the answer here? 40 to 70. Why? Starting value what here? -5, right? What is -5? See here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Means 40 starting. What is ending? -1. -1 before what here? -2. Left side value -2. So 40 to 70 is the answer. 40 to 70 is the answer. Okay, right. So like this, what we do, we can perform the indexing slicing, guys, index slicing. But this is the just 1D, right? This is 1D. Everything is fine. 1D means you understand easily. But how to perform on 2D, sir? How to perform on 2D? All of you observe now. How to perform on 2D? See, 1D means look like same Python list, right? Almost all of you look like same Python list only. There's nothing complexity here. Okay, but how to perform that indexing slicing on 2D? 2D. Okay, let us try now. Let us try now. Np data array of, so 1D like this. I will take all of you observe like this. Okay, then a equal to print of a. Yes, yes. Now all of observe here. Let us try now. Let us try here. Let us try here. A dot here only we try now. Print of a of. So in this case, all of you, we should remember this is what 0, right? 0. This is what 1. This is what here 2. All of you. Okay. Again, the same thing. Give me 1 second, guys. What do I do here? I'll explain. I'll explain here how to make the indexing operations and explain here, guys. Okay. The index numbers. How to take the index numbers? I'll explain here. Right. All of you guys, just observe. Just observe. All of you, just observe here. See, this is the main bracket, right? This is the main bracket. This is the main bracket, and this is the first element. This is the second element. This is the third element. That means this is what 0. This is what here 1. This is what here 2. That means all of you observe. Row 0, row 1, row 2. Index numbers like this. This is the 0. Okay. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 2 like this. All of you. And next one here, column wise, this is the 0. This is the 0. This is the 1. And this is the 2 like this. All of you. Row 0, row 1, row 2, column 0, column 1, column 2. See the intersections, all of you. You observe now intersections, intersection. This is the row 0, column 0 intersection like this. This is the row 0, column 1 intersection. This is the row 0, column 2 intersection like this. Index numbers are of these are index numbers. These all are the index numbers. Index numbers. This is what again 1 row 1 column 0, row 1 column 1 and row 1 column 2 like this. And here row 2 column 0 and row 2 column 1 and row 2 column 2 like this. In that way, we have to give the index numbers. We have to give the index numbers to perform indexing on the slicing operations. Okay. If you remember in the school days also for matrix, we do same thing, right? For matrix also, we'll take the same process to identify a specific element. Okay, right. Now let us try, all of you. Let us try. I will take suppose 0 again 0 0 0. Remember what is 0 0, guys? All of you. What is 0 0? Remember what is 0 0? What is 0 0? 0 0. Which one is there? 2 is there. What is 0 0? 2. So what is the answer now? The answer is the 2. Now you have a doubt, sir. You can take 0 0 like this, sir. You can take 0 0. Okay, that's not possible, guys. You have observed now. So what's coming here? 0 0 means all of you. Sorry. So 0 0 is what's coming to me now? 0 row, 0 column. Sorry. 0, 0 means it's not considering only one value considering, guys. All of you. So actually previously what I got now to get the 2, what I used here, I used 0, 0 like this. Then only this intersection point coming, 2 coming there. Then only 2 coming like this, 2 coming. Now the doubt is instead of taking the 2 brackets in a single bracket only, can take the 0 zeros. No. At that time it considers only this 0 and it will ignore, guys. It ignores. Like we have 0 1 normal numbering, right? 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4. 0 1 means what? 1 only generally. 0 2 means what? 2 only, right? That's why 0 0 means take 0 only. That's why we should take two separate brackets like this, right? Next one, suppose I want to get 9. I want to get this 9. Then tell me what is next number we give there. I want to get the 9. I want to get the 9. Tell me now what index number we give there. All of you. I want to get the 9. At that time, what index numbers we have to give? All of you guys, all give reply. How much now? Is it 1 1 na 1 2 na? Is it 1 1 or 1 2? Tell me now, all of you guys. Is it 1 1 or 1 2? Sindhu, right? This is what we give here. I told you, right? This is the, see, first row 0, row 1. In that row 1, again column 0, column 1. So 1 1 we give. Here 1 and here also 1, 1 1 like this. All of you, right? So like this you can give any number, guys. Whatever number we give, that corresponding element will come. The corresponding element will come. All of you. Suppose I am giving here, suppose 0 0 1. I am giving 0 1. Then what comes here? 6 will come, right? So 0 1. Then let us take like this. I am giving a 2, again 2. Now all of you, does it work or not? Does it work or not? No, not working, right? Okay, not working, guys. To give the indexing, it's taken out of range. It's taking the out of range index numbers. Okay, or if I give just 0 colon 2, that's all. Tell me now, guys. 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, guys. All of you. If I give the 0 colon 2, what is the output now? So 0 means what now? It considers the rows initially. This is the main thing, right? 0, okay, 0. Starting what here? 0. Ending what now? 2. 2 before 1. So 0, 1. These two will come. Means first row, second row. Those two will come, guys. I think observe now. All of you. What happened here? First row, second row came. First row, second row. All of you guys, is it clear, right? All of you. Okay. Right. So now, suppose I want to fetch 9 8, guys. Then how tell me now? I want to fetch the 9 8 only. I want to fetch 9 8 only. Tell me now how to do it. I want to fetch 9 9 8 9 8 like this. Then how to do it? Tell me now. I want to fetch 9 8 only. 9 and 8 9 8. All of us give reply. How to fetch the this 9 and 8? 9 8. Anyone, guys, give reply? How to fetch the 9 8? So first of all, that 9 8 is available where? In the row 1, right? Row 1, guys. First of all, fetch the row 1. That 9 8 available where? Row 1, right? So A of what? A of 1. A of 1. This entire row came. Entire row came. On that row, now apply the slicing. I want to get the 9 8, so this is 0, this is the 1. From 1 to last one I want to get, right? 1 to last, 1 to last. Now I am giving 1 to last one. First go to the row 1. Okay, first row 1 came, first row 1 came, row 1 came. In that row applying the slicing, starting 1 to last one. Index number 1 means what? 9, 9 to last one, like that. So that then only 9 8 coming, guys. 9 8 coming. All of you guys are clear this one now? All of you, right? Now next one, tell me, I want to get the 1 9. How? If you want to get the 1 9, only 1 9, only 1 9, then what to now? If you want to get the only 1 9, then what to do? All of you guys, if you want to get the only 1 9, what to do? Tell me now. Only 1 9, guys. Only 1 9. All of you. Only 1 9 I want to get it, right? First of all, this is the which row? First go to the corresponding row, yeah. First go to the row. What is the row? What is the row first? What is the row? The row is 2, right? Okay. In the 2, then I want to get what here? 1 9 means starting 0, ending I give 2. 2 before 1. 1 comes means 0 to 1. So I'll give here starting 0, ending I am giving 2. 0 means what? 0 means 1. I give the 2, 2 before 1. So 1, this is the 1, index number 1. So 0 to 1. So 1 9 will come. 1 9, 1 9 will come. 1 9 will come. All of you. All of you guys, 1 9 will come. Mayuri Agase. Okay, not 3. We give the 2, right? If you give the 2, so that this 2 will come. This 2 will come. Okay, all of you. So like this, what can we do? We perform indexing and slicing operations on either 2D or 3D or 4D or everything, guys. And everything we perform same. All of you, right? And if you want to do on 3D, little bit one step extra, guys. One step extra will be there. That we see one more example, guys. All of you. I take one more 2D. So 1D, 1D, 1D like this. So I'll take like this, and I take the one main brackets here, right? Right now, all of you observe again. All of you observe here. This is the first 0. This is the 0. This is the 1. In that 0, again this is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. Again, this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2. All of you observe here. One step extra will come here. One step extra will come. Just observe, guys. Right. So all of you observe, guys. All of you observe now. All of you. First of all, this is what? This is the 0. Index 0. And this is what now? This is the index 1. Index 1. In that 0, in the again this is the again 1 0. This is the 0. Again this is the 1. And this is what here? This is the 2. Again first, again this is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. Again 0, 1, 2. Again 0, 1, 2, like this. Same here also. Here also, what is the main 2D here? 1, index number 1. Again, this is what here? This is the 0. Okay, and this is the 1. This is the 1. And then This is the 2. This is the 2. Again here, this is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. And again, this is the 0 and 1 and 2. And same 0, 0, 1 and 2 like this. All of you. Okay. Right. Now, let us try guys now. Okay, all of you will try it now. We'll try it. We'll try it here. Print of I am giving a of I am giving a of 0, a of 0, a of 2 and 1. What is the answer guys? Tell me now. For this, what is the answer now? All of you. First go to 0 in 0 2D, then second 1D in that first means next number 1 0D guys. Tell me now. All of you. What is the answer for this one? What is the answer guys here? What is the answer? All of you guys. Everybody give reply. Everybody give reply guys. What is the reply? What is the answer here? What is the answer? All of you, you reply. What is the answer? What is the answer here? All of you guys. No one giving reply. Let me know. Sindhu, Sublakshmi, Bhaskar, Praveen, Avinash, all guys will reply. What is the answer? Why you are taking so much time? Not getting reply from your side. Okay, you are giving the answer 9, right? So 0 means this is the 0. This is the 0, right? In that 0, go to which one? 2. 2 means what? 0 again, 1, 2, right? 2. In that 2, take the index number 1. What is the 1? 9. So the answer is what? The answer is the 9. The answer is the 9. All of you. Okay. Now give reply guys for this one. Give reply, give reply, give reply for this one all of you. I am giving 0, minus 2, minus 1. 0, minus 2, minus 1. You give reply guys, all of you. 5. First 0, this is the 0, okay, this is the 0. In that 0, what is there? Minus 2. Means this is minus 1, this is the minus 2. This is the minus 2. In that minus 2, I am taking the again minus 1. What is minus 1? What is minus 1 guys? 8 is coming, right? All of you. What's the answer now? What's the answer guys here? 8. Okay, 8 is the answer. Because this is the 0 first. In that 0, go to where? Minus 2. So minus 1, this is the minus 2. In minus 2, which one? Minus 1. What is minus 1? 8 is the minus 1. 8 is the minus 1. Like this, perform the indexing guys. I think you understand already. Now, so I'll take the 2. In the 2, I'll take the just one colon. What is the answer now? What is the answer now? What is the answer guys? Hmm. 265. Rohit, one answer. Lahari, 9 answer. All of you different answers coming now. Huh? All of you think properly, guys. Think properly and give reply. All of you guys think properly and give reply. Hmm. 947691 different answers coming, but observe here, it's output error. Arey yaar, here I am giving the index number 2. Where is that 2? uh, this is the 0, this is the 1, that's all. Where is that 2 now? 2 is not there, right? Now all giving index error. Sindhu Subbalakshmi, you are giving index error now. First, remaining all giving answer 94769 4. What's the answer? Index number 2 is not there, right? Index number 2 is not there. This 0 is there and 1 is there. That's all. So 2 out of range only. That's why error came. Okay. Error came, all of you. Okay. Let us try now -1 like this. Tell me now. -1, -1, -1, -1. All of you reply. -1 I am giving. I am giving -1. What is the -1 to 1 colon? Rohit, 9-1 answer. Rohit giving reply 9-1. 9-1. All of you guys, remain also give reply. This index slicing we done already Python, right? Again, we are taking so much time. In Python string list tuple, we done the multiple examples, right? Okay. Okay, first go to -1. What is -1? This is the -1. Okay. In the -1, go to again index number 2. Index number 2. This is the -1. In the -1, +2 means what again? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. In that 2, go to the 1 colon. 1 onwards, starting number 1, 0, 1. 1 onwards up to remaining last. So starting number is given, n number is not given, means up to last one, right? Start number is given, n number not given, means up to last one. So 9-1 is the answer. 9-1 is the answer. 9-1 is the answer. All of you. So like this, we can perform the which one? Indexing, slicing operations. Okay, right. Now let's go with the let's go with the uh, iterations, guys. Iterations. Iterating iterations. Okay. Iterating an array. Iterating an array, guys. Iterating an array. Iterating an array. All of you. Okay. Right. So iterate means what? Just applying the for loop, guys. Same loops applying, right? Loops applying. So let me try first this 1D. I'll take this one. All of you guys observe here. Same as this. Now for I in what? A. For I in A. But first time I value, guys, commonly. First time I value what? First value. Second time I value, second value. Then third value, fourth value, fifth value, like that. Okay. Output will come. This is what just 1D, right? 1D, guys. If you take the 2D, little bit difference will be there, because 1D means same like what our Python list, right? Same like our Python list only. Now what do I do here? I will take just a 2D, guys, so that you can see something difference compared to list. Okay, 30 like this, and again one more. Again one more. These all, see, array of one argument, then second argument, third argument, right? These all must be in the again brackets, because the array function takes only one argument only. Only one argument only. Print of a, yes. Now all of you observe, for I in a, what is the first time a value? What is first time a value, guys? Let me know. What is first time a value? What is A value? All of you guys, what is first time A value? What is first time A value? A value, guys. What is A value now? What is the initially A value? So first time A value 0 index number. Next time A value 1 index number. Next time A value 2 index number, right? So first time first element 10, 20, 30. Next time next element like this. Okay. So let's take I. We'll take the I. See now. First time it came. Second time and third time. Now all of you observe. Now what do I do for J in K? For J in I. Sorry, I. For J in I. Then print of J. Print of J. What is the first time J value, guys? What is the first time J value? Actually, first time I value what here? First time I value what here? First time I value is 10, 20, 30 from here. Okay. First time I value what? 10, 20, 30. On I, on that I, we apply J. So first time J is what now? First time J 10, second time J 20, third time J 30. Next again I value what now? Second 1D. Again first time J 10, next to J 2, next to J 3. Next time I value what again? This 1D again 9, 3, 6 like that, right? Now in this process, totally how many times J iterating the loop? Now total how many times J iterating the loop, guys? Total how many times J iterating the loop? J. I how many times J how many times, tell me now. In this process, totally how many times I iterating, how many times J iterating, tell me. All of you. Total how many times I iterating, how many times J iterating, guys? See 9 times J iterating and 3 times I iterating. Yes, correct. So I iterating 3 times because I about rows, first row, second row, third row. So 3 rows. J about each value in the row. First row 3 values, so 3 times. Again 3 times, again 3 times. So 9 times, right? 9 times, guys. 9 times. Okay, see 9 times iterating. All of you, right? This is what now just 2D. If you take 3D, guys, if you take 3D for example, if you take 3D, then we take the 3 loops there. I value, J value, K value. I think observe there. I'll take here one more. Just I repeat same, guys. I repeat the same one again. I repeat the same one again. Then finally we close it here. That's all. Now let's take the print A. Yes. Now here to get the each value one by one, how many loops required here? To get the each value one by one, how many loops required, guys? To get the each value one by one, how many loops required? First of all, let's take the for I in A. What first time A? First time I value, guys. What first time I value? This 2D, right? First 2D. First time I value. Second time I value. Second 2D, right? Second 2D. Second 2D. All of observe here. See. First time I value. First 2D. Second time I value. Second 2D. Okay. Again, on that I, if apply the J, then first time J value. First time J value. First row. Second time J value. Second row. Third time J value. Third row. Next J value, next J value, next J value. Okay. Now you can see now. First J value, second J value, third J value for each one. To get the each element from each row, again what can we do generally for K in J? Now each value will come now. In this case, all of you, in this case, how many times J iterating? and I iterating and k iterating, guys, all of you. How many times I j k iterating now? How many times I j k iterating? How many times I j k iterating? Tell me now. All of you. All of you. Okay. Sindhu, I iterated 6 times. I 2 times, j 6 times, and k how many times? N number of elements. That means 18 times. Okay, correct. Right. So if you click enter, you can see now, guys, like this. So this is what, guys, iterating the which one arrays. Now we'll perform one more last operation, guys, on array. That is performing that makes min some operations. That is called aggregate operations, guys. What do you call aggregate operations on a array? Okay, aggregate operations on array, guys. Means mainly we perform which one, like max value, then min value, then sum value, guys. Means and in entire matrix, entire array, what is the highest value? Means max value, min value, sum value in entire array level, maybe 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. Okay, let us try now. All of you, guys, all of you will try the import numpy as np, then np data will create array of 10, 20, 30, 25, something 50, then 5. We'll take different values, not in the ascending order numbering. Let's take last one, something 30 also. Again 20, 10 will take, no problem. And let's take the a. Let's take the a. Then print of a. Okay. Now commonly all of observe here. Then what we use a dot max. A dot max. What's max value? 50. Then a dot what here? A dot what min value? A dot min value. Then a dot what? A dot sum. A dot sum, guys. Okay. So generally we have to do it print operation to get all. That's all, right? This is what here 1D, right? 1D, no problem, guys. Same like list only. But now the same thing we'll try in the 2D, 3D. How to do these operations? Import numpy as a numpy. Np dot array of like this. These are all 1Ds. I will take something like this, all of you. Something a equal to, then print of a, right? Now all of you observe, guys, properly here. All of you observe clearly. Then a dot max means an entire matrix level, what is the highest value? In entire matrix level, what is the least value? And in entire matrix level, what is the sum of values? Sum of values. The highest value 9. What is the least value? 0. What are the sum of values? 38. Which one? 38 is the sum of values. Sum of values. That is overall matrix level. That is overall matrix level. But now let us try to make a row level, guys. Row level, what is the highest value? The same time column level. Column means all first values, all second values, all third values. Okay, all of you. And let us try here. I take a dot max. We specify axis equal to, suppose I'll take the 1, axis 1, guys. We take the axis 1, and you see now axis 1 means what here? So row wise, in the first row, what is the highest value? 6, 6 came. In second row, what is the highest value? 9, 9 came. 9 came. In third row, what is the highest value? Again 9, 9 came here. Means axis means what here? 0. Sorry, axis means row wise. That is row wise. Again, print of a dot max of axis 0. Let's take now axis 0. Axis 0 means column wise will come now. Sorry, min, right? Min. Column wise means first column 3 1 9. What is the small value? What is small value here? Or else, sorry guys, we'll take the one only here. One only first. So row wise, guys, row wise, what is the highest value? What is the least value? Row wise. One means what? Row wise. What is the highest value? Row wise. Highest value means here 6, here 9, here 9 came. And row wise, what is the min value? Row wise min value. What is min value? 3, and here 0, and here 1. All of you. So one means what? Row wise. Row wise max value. Row wise min value came. And again, the same way, row wise we'll see, column wise we'll see max value, min value. Let's take the max of axis equal to what? 0. Then print of a dot max of axis what here again 0. This is what we'll take now, min, okay, min. Right. Now, column wise, guys, here. Column wise, what is the highest value? Column means 3, 1, 9. What is the highest value? 9. 9 is the first value. Next, second column. What is second column? 6, 0, 5. What is the highest value? 6. So, 6 taken here. Then, what is the third column? 4, 9, 1. What is max value? 9. So, 9 is taken. And column wise, minimum value. The first column means the first values 3, 1, 9. What is minimum value? 1. 6, 0, and 5. What is minimum value? 0. And last 4, 9, 1. What is minimum value? 1. Like this. All of you. Okay. So then finally some values, guys. Some values print of a dot sum of x is equal to 0. A dot sum of x is equal to 1, guys. Now, so again 0 means what here? All of you here, 1 means what? Row wise max value, min value, and column wise max value, min value. And here I take the suppose both 1, guys. Or taking the both side, right here. Sorry guys, 1 second. Some row wise, some column wise. After taking the sum, here I taken the both different functions. That's why I have taken what here, one row and column. Here now same function, right? One is row wise, one is column wise. Okay. Now let's see now the row wise, guys. Row wise or else see. Otherwise, if I take like this, you understand it clearly, right? Now the max minimum row wise. max minimum column wise. That's all. Now easy to understand. Okay, all of you. The first max minimum total array wise, total array level. Then max minimum row wise. First row wise max value, row wise min value, row wise some values. Okay, again column wise max value, column wise min value, column wise some value, guys. That's all. All of you, all of you guys. I'll take here print A. Right now, let's see now. So here row is the max value, row is the min value, row is sum. Row is sum means first row how much here 13. First row 13, 13 came. Second row 10, 10 came. Third row how much 15, 15 came. That's all. And here column wise sum, column wise max value, column wise min value, column wise again sum. Column wise means like this. 3, 1, 9, 13. So 13 came here. Next 6, 0, 5, 11. 11 came here. Okay, next 4, 9, 1, 14. 14 came here. All of right. These three entire matrix level max min sum. These three row level max min sum. These three column level max min sum values. These are the one aggregate operations, guys. Aggregate operation like that. There are different number of operations are there. These are the just basic operations in the which one MP, the MP, guys. All of you guys till now, everybody's clear, guys. Till now, everybody's clear. All of you. All of you guys, let me know. Great. So fine, guys. Then tomorrow also at same time we'll take, and tomorrow we start pandas, guys. This is about NumPy, some operations on NumPy, right? And tomorrow we'll see the actually what is exactly pandas and how to perform the which one that data analysis in tabular format, creating the pandas in pandas series data frames. Some operations are there. Means gathering data from databases from files. That all we see tomorrow class. These are all just basic, guys. And tomorrow by using this NumPy and pandas both how to extract data from the databases like from MySQL, from text file, how to extract data, that we see in tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow also we'll take the session, guys, at same time, and tomorrow we'll see which one that pandas. All of you guys, everybody's clear till now? All of you. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, all of you guys. Thank you so much. And tomorrow also don't miss the class. Tomorrow also will take the class, and also you can inform your friends also, guys. You can inform your friends also about our special free sessions. Hmm? Right. So thank you so much, all of you guys. Thank you. Bye. And you can subscribe our channel, guys, so that when you start the new sessions, a new series of videos about different topics, you'll get the notification. Otherwise, you'll miss the videos, guys. You miss the sessions. That's why please subscribe our channel so to get the notification. Right. So thank you all of guys. Bye.